Hi everyone. Today we are building a Python Mad Lib game. So this is a simple program for beginners, and you can customize it however you like. Now, if you are someone who is more advanced to Python programming and looking for more advanced content, feel free to check out other channels. This is just for beginners, and I myself a beginner. Now, okay, let's start with the output of the program first. So this is how the output looks like when I execute the program. The title is Welcome to Mad Labs Story, and the name of the story I've given is my day, the day my pet took over the world. Right? When you write your own program, feel free to give any story, any story name, title, heading, anything. So the how the program work is it will ask you some random input. Okay, for example, right now the system is asking me to enter a name, so I'll enter let's say John, and it is asking me to type enter a pet, not a name, type of pet. So let's say animal, and name of the pet I'll give, let's say um Rocky, and enter an adjective. Okay, so adjective I'll give, let's say tall. One more adjective, I'll give white. Now let's say I'll give uh, mm, beautiful. Yeah, and a verb. Okay, I'll give running, another verb, sleeping. Okay, food. Let's say fast food, and a place. Let's give UK. Superpower. Let's say fly, and a celebrity name. All right. Since I'm from India, so I'll give SRK. Yeah, why not? Let's go with that. Give a random name, random object name. So let it be chair. Now, now the program has generated a, you know, story where uh, these answers, these input we have given are added into the story. Now the story is like this. Now one day John was relaxing at home. So this John came here, was relaxing at home when suddenly their tall animal, now tall animal, Rocky, this Rocky, started acting very beautiful. Without warning, Rocky stood up on their hind legs and yelled, "Shall I run? No, shall I shall running, all human." Now, I can improve, we should be improving the verb and everything later. Now, for now, let's go ahead with the story. Um, Confused, John watched as Rocky grabbed a chair and ran straight to UK. All right, UK. Um, Within minutes, Rocky had used their secret ability, fly, to take over the world. The government tried to stop them, but Rocky was too powerful. Even SRK couldn't stop this madness. The world was under the rule of Rocky, supreme leader of UK. Instead of law, Rocky demanded that everyone must sleep at least once a day and eat only fast food for every meal. And just like that, John realized they were now the personal assistant to the most powerful animal in history. Okay. Their only job, making sure Rocky always had enough food forever. the end, or just the beginning, right? So this is a simple program, and this is the output which I got. Obviously, we can improve the program to generate, uh, to give more meaningful, maybe grammatically correct sentences. But since this is just for beginners, and I'm here to learn, and that's why I started creating this YouTube channel so that I can record all the videos and share with all the newcomers, someone who is looking to practice program just like me. Right. So this is the output. Let's I'll show you how to create the program. Okay, and let's begin with the program. Now I have created an empty file, a madlib.py, and before we start in this program or this exercise, you will be learning, you know, basic Python keywords, statements. Uh, so yeah, as we go on, as I start writing the program, I'll be explaining everything in detail, um, so that you can, follow along the code. Okay. So I'll see the output one more time. Okay. So here I have given this, welcome to Mad Libs Story, and another line is this. And okay, so these are just print statement. Okay, I'll just cancel the execution now. Okay, so the first command is print. Okay, and I should give couple of equal to welcome to. Okay, print. I'll print one more line. Okay, the name of the story is um the the day my I'll just copy this part. And I just shorten it, and I'll give couple of, sorry, I'll give couple of stars here. All right, now I'll save it. Let's execute till here and see the output. So this is how the program output is till now. Okay, let's continue our build. Now the first question or the first input I want is name, and to receive input from user we use input function. Input function, sorry, and enter a name, then pet. All right. Name and pet, these are all variables to store the input given by users. Okay. Now pet. So let's enter uh, pet, pet name. So this is adjective one, input, give, enter. Okay. Now, let me complete the program first, and I'll explain everything in detail once I complete the program. All right. All right. I just completed the program. So let me explain what I have done here. Now, these are all variables: name, pet name, adjective one, verb one, food, place. These are all variables, and this is a function input which asks user to enter a value, a string. In this case, enter a name. So enter a name will be shown in the console, and the user can input um, a name. So the program will wait for users input. Now after completing after filling up all the variables, now the program will ask for the first input, the second input, and the third, and so on till here, the object one. Now, once I have all the objects, what I've done is I've created one more variable called story. Now, this story is of type string. Okay, string means collection of sentences or words. Now, to replace the to replace this variable to fit to insert this variable inside this entire big paragraph, what I have used is I have used f string. Now f string in Python is um, kind of let's say you have we have this big a paragraph. Now you want to insert uh, multiple variable. So in this case I have used name, adjective one, pet name. So I've inserted all the users input into my paragraph. Now how I did is I used f string. you know so to place a variable inside a paragraph, you need to use a curly braces, okay, and name of the variable. Okay, also remember that Python is a case sensitive language, which means if I give the variable name as name, where n is capital. Now this name and this name will be a different variable, so I need to use same case in this case, right? So you can also see there are a couple of functions, or I've used functions like this one, upper. Now there are multiple functions available. For example, input is a function. Now print itself is a function. Now we have a function called upper. Now the you know function what it does is it will convert the value of this verb one to uppercase. So that is the use of upper function. And similarly, I have used the same function here. And yeah, this is the program. Let me run this program and let's see the output. Okay, all right. I forgot to print the story. So let me do that. Print um, story. Right. Now when I execute this program, okay, let me. Okay, so from here I ran the program. So this is the output. Now I'll give the input again. So I'll give this time, let's say my name, Vivek, and I'll give a pet type, let's say bird, and name of my pet is Pop. Adjective I'll give let's say run. Another adjective eat. A verb eating. Verb do. Sleeping. Food say give rice. And place, let's say India. Superpower, mm, let's say swimming. And a celebrity name, let's say um Khan. Okay. And random object, let's say mouse, or let's say laptop. Okay, when I press enter, my program will do is my program will replace each variable, um or rather it will insert all the variable in the paragraph, and it will display the paragraph below. I'll press enter now. Okay, this is the story. So here it goes. One day Vivek was relaxing at home when suddenly there you know run birds. So I could have given some space here. Now Pop is the name of the pet, started acting very eat. Now this is a weird story, I believe. Okay, so this is the story which we have already seen in our first initial execution. Now you can come up with many more stories by yourself and practice everything. You know, the reason why I have created this video is because we I have used multiple input functions now, and I have replaced. So these are simple concepts which I am practicing at the moment. Similarly, I'm creating at the same time I'm creating videos so that I can record everything and share my learning with you guys. Okay. Uh, Feel free to drop a comment and create your own story. Share the story in the comment. Okay, and please do subscribe for more such videos. I'll be uploading more videos in the future. So in our next video, I am planning to create a program to calculate, I think, BMI index. Yeah, or a calculator maybe, because these are very simple programs which will help me, get familiarized with the Python code or the Python syntax. which is why I'm doing it. And you should, uh, if you are someone who is learning Python and beginners like me, you should, practice regularly like me, and share whatever you are building in the comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, see you next time. Bye.